ka tnad arts and culture ka sorkar jilla u Bah Sanbor shulai ulaong babun na kilong ïing kiba duk bat kiba treshitom kiba poi barabor sha ka kyrdan ka ba shalor ha ka jingim bat ula airu ya ka nuksa jong ki riew kraw kari kiba la poi sha ka kyrdan president bat prime minister kari kiba dairu kiba wan na kilong ïing kiba duk bat kerdu bat ya thu khanaru shemphang ka jingim la jong ba na ka jingban ka jingduk ula ha bansa tang hapo ïing ba ar kamra bat ikime bat man ka mit pat ban yarab di chor ya la ikme hayo laban bat ompoi perkhat pat bahadian un job MTC MLA bat menta ban long menteri sorkar ya kane ula ongkum ukong san haba play ya ka program hand on ke 3D printing in prosthetic and orthotic professional of Northeast India ka program bala penlong da ka office commissioner for person with disabilities ka tanat social welfare nangta ka State Council of Science, Technology and Environment bat PT da ka jingatray lang bat ka Instalim India Private Limited ka bala penlong house so tham auditorium shalong na ka benta ka san bat riew direct menta ubanay kani ka jing ong jong u ka long ban I mean sim ki brio ki ba ya pher ha ka jing long ki da khat mat kham tam e ki tu ki ba la do no ya la ki jat ha ka ba minta khlam do jing kan men kila yo ban pindan kam da ki jat bala shna kat kum ka chuk minta ne ki artificial limb bala ai da ka tana sorkar Lyngba ka instalim India Private Limited bat ki we ki la chingyaram Hakane ka program kila dan khat arngot ki nong yo jingmen toy ki bala yo pdyang ye ki artificial limb na ki district bapher ka jilla bala IT da Bah Sanbor shulai bat ki we Hakane ka program la yo ru ka jingkran na Upravin Bakshi IS Commissioner Secretary nangta Dr. G Pandyan Assistant Professor Head of Prosthetic and Orthotic Ushu Chiro Adishi MD and Chief Operating Officer Instalim India Private Limited, Kong Bridget Warshong Deputy Commissioner for Person with Disabilities, Lakran Pryang Subha na Uba Lingkor Kinjing MCS Commissioner for Person with Disabilities Meghalaya, Nangta Ladan Kajingpin I Yaki Rukom Shna Yaki Artificial Limb, Bat Kijingmin Toy Balapendan Kam Yaki, na Lord Kiwe ki program.
Madam Warshong, the duty honor of gracing Miss
Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Social Welfare Department, and State Council for Science and Technology, Environment, and Lyngba for organizing this initiative and initiate in collaboration with the Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya National Institute for Persons with Physical Disabilities on the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, and Installing India Private Limited. These programs reflects our collective commitment to empowering persons with disability. This through innovation, technology, and compassion service delivery. It demonstrates the impact that can be achieved when government institutions, professionals, and private innovators work together towards inclusion and accessibility. I would like also to acknowledge the contribution of Installing India Private Limited, a pioneer in advanced prosthetic technology. Through the use of 3D scanning, digital design, artificial intelligence, and advanced manufacturing. Installing is helping persons with disability regain mobility, independence, and confidence. Such innovations are making quality prosthetic care more affordable and accessible, especially in remote regions. I am also pleased to learn that along the prosthetic fitment program, today continuing rehabilitation education CRE program from scanning to prosthesis, hands to on training in 3D digital fabrication is adopted by PDU and PPD in collaboration with Installing India Private Limited. For prosthetic and orthotic professionals from across Northeast India, this initiative will provide them with exposure to the latest advancement in prosthetic technology. But my parents are very strong. So this message I'm giving to all the beneficiaries. So we fight for the rights, we are disciplined, we honor, we respect our parents, we respect our elderly people. And you will see, before I wind up my speech, based on the records. For example, Dr. Rajendra Prasad ji, he also living from a poor family from a village, born in a thatch house. They don't have the capacity to buy kerosene oil, his parents. When the street light is on in the evening, so he run and starts studies beneath the street light. And at the end of the day, God bless him, and he has become he holding the prestigious post as the President of India. He is from a poor family. So many of them. Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, in the morning helping his father in distributing akhbar in Hindi, which means newspaper. House to house, akhbar. And at the end of the day, he has become a scientist. He has occupied the highest post of the country, the President of India. And coming to our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji. You know, after school, he will go run and assist his father in selling chai, selling tea, adjacent to the railway track. So, but at the end of the day, he has become a very powerful, respectable person, leader, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji. So I feel proud that I really thanks to the Almighty God that I was also born in a small house, rented house. In Laban, after coming from school, I used to have my mother, Yoda Laban, particularly in seng, vegetable charcoal, helping until 8 a.m. at night. Like that is our life. And I didn't dream also, nobody dreams that I'll become I have got that guts. Do I hear from a poor family? I keep it in my mind that I am born to lead. I should lead. I lead the locality, I lead various NGOs in my locality, and finally, I didn't also dream that I'll become the MDC undisputed for 5th consecutive term from Black constituency. And 4th term MLA from this constituency, undisputed. And in the next election, I'll just sleep at home, I'll win with a thumping majority. Thank you, Kublai. Jai Hind.